Hello everyone, welcome to another hair hack video. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Insert a 5-legged rubber band and then tie the lower part again with the help of a rubber band. Roll it upwards and then secure it tightly with the help of a bobby pin. You are done. Take your hair first and then you can decorate it along with your favorite Juda pins as your wish. Any color of Juda pin may work. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, roll the ponytail upwards and then secure it tightly with the help of a back pin. Tie your hair in the form of a lower ponytail, then take small section of the hair from the side and roll it along the ponytail part, then roll the ponytail around the upper part and then secure it properly with the help of a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower loose ponytail, roll it upwards along with all the parts of the hair together and then put a scrunchie so that it looks beautiful. First, take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, then insert a Juda pin from left side going all the way to the right side. Take the upper part, roll it in the form of a semicircle. Thank you for watching.